Still got a lot of work to do on this old tractor right here, but I wanted to show you something. These old metal fuel lines, if you ever start working on these old tractors, sometimes you can booger these old metal fuel lines up and you need to replace them. But if you don't have any to replace them with, or you don't want to wait for them to come in the mail, you can always go down to the auto parts store and buy these metal brake lines. And you can use metal brake lines to replace these metal fuel lines. And if you don't know how, watch this and I'll show you. All right, so here is a fuel line that goes from the lift pump to the fuel filter housing. And the problem with it is that to get this out of the fuel filter housing, when I was replacing it, I deformed the tube right here, and now this nut won't slide up over it. So I need to replace it. So we're going to take this 1/4 inch brake line and make a new one. All right, now we have that cut. We're just going to take the nut off of here because we don't want the brake line nut. So now we just have a straight tube. Now let's cut this tube and get these nuts off. Now we have both nuts off. As you can see, we're going to put them on this straight tube. See, one side is already flared. That's the factory side. This is the side we cut down here. Going to feed that on just like that. It'll be all right. Slide this other one on. Want to make sure that the threads are facing outward. But now we have to flare this end. Make it mate right. Let's get our flaring tool. And there we have it. Both nuts are on there, the ends are flared. But now we have to bend this to shape. So let's get our tubing bender. Now we have a brand new fuel line for our tractor using a steel brake line. So if you didn't know you could do that, there you go. And there it is, the one I made is this one right here. It's in there, looks factory made.